The screen is visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Decoding circuit. To locate the select memory block, it's called chip select, means CS enable, and this is also called sometimes chip enable, and which
Sir,
must be
ब्लैक अब दिख रहा है सर.
and memory chips on or more pins called CS, and which is chip select, and sometimes it is called chip enable, and which must be activated for memory content to be accessed. जब memory content को हम लोग access करेंगे तब chip select को on होना ही है और activate होना ही है. Without activating chip select, we cannot access the memory address or memory contents to be accessed by any when we are required the access of memory content without activating the CS pin. And in connecting the memory chip CPU, the following points should be noted. And when we the following noted, first point is that the data bus of the CPU is connected directly to the data pins of the memory chip. जो डेटा बस है वो मेरा सीपीयू के साथ डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड रहेगा with the memory chip. The first point is that the data bus of the CPU is connected directly to the data pins of the memory chip. Next point is that control signal. Control signal in there are two control signal. One is RD and another is WR. Control signal RD stand for read operation and WR stand for write operation, means memory read or memory write operation. So control signal RD and WR from the CPU are connected to OE output enable or WE write enable pin of the memory chip. Okay, and next is that in case of the address bus, while the lower bits of address from the CPU go directly to the memory chip address pin. In the case of address bus, while the lower bits of the address from the CPU go directly memory chip's address pin, means memory का जो address pin में directly चला जाता है lower bits of the address, and the upper ones are used to, मतलब upper जो bit है it is used to activated the CS pin. upper जो memory का lower memory जो address है उसका जो lower bits है address का वो directly CPU में चला जाता है memory chip address pin, and the upper ones means upper bits are used to activate the CS pin of memory chip, and it is the CS pin that along with the RD and WR allow to flow the data in or out, allow to flow in or out data in or out of the memory chip, and no data can be written into or read from memory chip unless CS is activated. जब तक CS एक्टिवेटेड नहीं होगा तब तक कोई डेटा रीड भी नहीं होगा और राइट भी नहीं होगा। और कहां से? नहीं तो मेमोरी से। ओके, तो दिस इज द मेमोरी एड्रेस डिकोडिंग टेक्निक and how we using simple logic gate address of address decoder mainly used NAND gate to decoding the address, mainly used NAND gate to decoding the address, and the output of the NAND gate is active low and the CS pin is also active low, and which makes them perfect match. जब चिप सिलेक्ट लो होगा तभी दिस इज एक्टिवेटेड, मीन्स ऑन होगा और एनेबल होगा। ओके, तो डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी टू एड्रेस डिकोडिंग। तो मेनली फर्स्ट इज यूजिंग सिंपल लॉजिक गेट एड्रेस डिकोडर। तो सिंपल लॉजिक गेट एड्रेस डिकोडिंग सर्किट इज यूज्ड टू NAND गेट। ये है मेरा सिंपल एड्रेस डिकोडिंग। ये जो डायग्राम देख रहे हो डिकोडिंग सर्किट ऑफ 8051 यूजिंग सिंपल लॉजिक गेट। तो इसमें हाउ वी कैन एड्रेस जनरेटेड वी कैन आइडेंटिफाई बाय यूजिंग सिंपल लॉजिक गेट। तो मैंने क्या बोला, मतलब लोअर ऑर्डर जो बीट्स होगा, लोअर जो बीट्स होगा ऑफ द एड्रेस फ्रॉम सीपीयू डायरेक्टली कहां चला जाएगा? मेमोरी पिंस में। एंड अपर ऑन्स आर यूज्ड टू चिप सिलेक्ट। तो ये जो डायग्राम है, दिस हियर इज यू सी हियर द डायग्राम, this is the lower address bit and this is directly to go to the memory, and this part is the higher and this is used to select. Okay, and another thing is that in point 2 and another is that D0 to D7 जो डेटा बीट से directly go to the data pins of memory chip. Data pins of memory chips mean D0 to D7. You see here this pin is go to directly memory chips.
सर आरडी और डब्ल्यूआर और सीएस के ऊपर मतलब चिप सिलेक्ट और रीड और राइट के ऊपर सर बार दिया हुआ कुछ कारण है?
बार है क्योंकि ये इट आइडेंटिफाई बार मींस इट इज एक्टिव लो सिग्नल। दिस सिग्नल आर एक्टिव लो सिग्नल। व्हेन दिस सिग्नल गोज लो then the chip is selected or chip is enabled. So as same when RD bar signal goes low, okay, then its read operation is done. If WR bar signal goes low, its write operation is take place. Okay, so retain or write जो operation होगा वो depends on the control signal. These two control signal and these two control signal is always active low control signal when the read or write operation can be take place. These are low. As same the chip select signal is also low. When low, this is select the chip or enable the chip. Otherwise this is not or not activated the chip. Clear your query?
Yes sir.
Okay, now how we can calculate the address range. How we can calculate the address range? Suppose I have given an example, a simple logic NAND gate using NAND gate. Now here the in diagram, suppose here the pin A12 to A15. These are used these are used to chip select. These are used to chip select. So in this example, what happened? The NAND gate is active low and chip select is active low, and which makes them perfect match. And in case where chip select input is active high, an AND gate must be used. जहां चिप सिलेक्ट हाई होगा तब कहा नैंड गेट यूज नहीं होता है, वो उस जगह पे एंड गेट यूज होता है. एंड यूजिंग द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ एंड गेट एंड इन्वर्टर, एंड गेट एंड इन्वर्टर, यूजिंग द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ एंड गेट एंड इन्वर्टर, on can decode any address range, on can decode any address range. Just for example, in shown this figure, which start is A15 to A12. A15 to A12 must be 0011 in order to select the chip select. 0011 must be select the chip, and the result of assigned address range is 3000 to 3000F. So address range is start 3000 hex to 3000F hex of this memory chip. means ये जो memory chip है इसका जो एड्रेस रेंज होगा वो होगा 3000 से स्टार्ट होगा एंड एंड होगा कहां तक उसका लास्ट मेमोरी जो एड्रेस रेंज है वो होगा मेरा 3000F. तो इसका जो फर्स्ट 4 बीट है मींस हायर ऑर्डर जो 4 बीट है वो क्या है मेरा A15 to A12, and this is A15 and A4 is 00 and A13 and A12 is 11. But in chip select pin we need a 0 input. 0 means low input. So here we used inverter. Here we used inverter to selecting the chip. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I can give a question that if the value of A15, A14, A13 and A12 all are 0. All are 0. Okay? Means this is also 0, this is also 0. So what is the address range of this memory chip? What is the address range of this memory chip? Understand my question? A15
Yes.
to A12 all are 0. So I ask a question, find out the address range of this memory chip. Okay?
Means a NAND gate output.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ जो मेरा जो A15 से A12 और this is also 0, this is 0. तो इसका एड्रेस रेंज
सर आवाज कट रहा है.
Now voice is clear?